I'm building a tall desk today, as you know from the title of this video. The reason why I'm building a taller desk is because I'm doing more and more of these mosaic pieces, and sitting down doing them is just really uncomfortable. So I want a tall desk that isn't too wide, so it means that I can work around a piece and just be more comfortable while I'm working. So the plan is to get this done in one day. So thank you very much for watching. Let's get to cutting the legs and the stretchers, I think. I just want to apologise to any carpenter of any level who's watching this video. I'm not a carpenter. I stick small bits of wood to a larger bit of wood and call it art. So please forgive me for what I'm about to do.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
This is just a test. If I do find this a bit too tall, I will cut it down a bit more, but I won't know until I go and test it. So let's take it in the house and give it a test. Here it is. Yeah, I really enjoyed making this. Whether or not it's the solution to my problem, I don't know, but I enjoyed making it, and sometimes that's enough, you know. But if it is a solution to my problem, then that's even better. I would just like to say that this isn't your standard woodworking bench. This isn't the greatest bench of all time or anything like that. This is simply a possible solution to a problem I'm having, and I'm not suggesting in any way that this is a solution to any problem that you're having, because I understand that the type of woodworking I do is pretty niche. So don't feel like you have to copy this bench in any way. This is just, I just thought I'd make this video because I wanted to have some fun in the garage and I thought I'd film it. So I hope you guys had fun watching it, and if you want to see the bench in action the first time I use it, I'm going to be filming part 5 of the mosaic tomorrow, and obviously I'll be using the bench in that, so come back and join me for that. Thank you very much for watching. I really do hope you had fun, because I had so much fun. It's very difficult to convey having fun while woodworking, but I did. So I hope you had fun watching me have fun. That sounded really creepy. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. I was just start again. Wow.